Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that many consider the best small piano keyboard for adults, the Casio Casiotone SA-51. Whether you're a beginner looking to start your musical journey or an adult seeking a portable and user-friendly option, this keyboard is designed to meet your needs. The Casio Casiotone SA-51 boasts 32 mini keys, making it incredibly accessible, even for those with smaller hands. This feature is particularly beneficial for adults who may find traditional full-sized keys a bit cumbersome. The smaller keys don't sacrifice quality. They still provide a satisfying touch response, allowing you to play with ease and precision. One of the standout features of the SA-51 is its impressive sound bank. With 100 high-quality built-in tones, you can explore a wide range of instrument sounds, from pianos and trumpets to more exotic options like synthesizers and strings. This variety not only enriches your playing experience but also allows for creative exploration as you experiment with different sounds. Switching between tones is a breeze with the Tone Direct buttons. You can select your desired sound with just a single touch, which is fantastic for those moments when you want to quickly change things up during practice or a performance. But that's not all. The SA-51 comes equipped with 50 rhythm patterns spanning various genres like pop, ballad, dance, and more. This feature is perfect for those who enjoy playing along with a beat, providing a fuller musical experience. Imagine playing your favorite songs while being accompanied by a professional-sounding backing band. For those just starting out, the SA-51 includes 10 built-in songs that you can play along with. This feature not only helps you learn the keyboard but also enhances your timing and coordination skills. It's a fun way to practice and develop your musical abilities. Portability is a key factor for many adults, and the Casio Casiotone SA-51 excels in this department. Its lightweight design makes it easy to transport, whether you're heading to a friend's house, a music class, or just moving from room to room. You can easily slip it into a bag and take your music with you wherever you go. Furthermore, the sleek black and white design of the SA-51 ensures it looks great in any environment. It's stylish enough to be a focal point in your home and practical enough for classroom use or even small performances. The keyboard also includes learning tools like a built-in metronome, which is invaluable for developing a good sense of timing. Whether you're practicing on your own or preparing for a performance, having a metronome ensures that you maintain a steady tempo. In conclusion, the Casio Casiotone SA-51 is truly a remarkable small piano keyboard for adults. With its compact size, extensive features, and high-quality sound, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore their musical talent. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone returning to music, this keyboard offers everything you need to get started. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think of the Casio Casiotone SA-51, and what other products you'd like us to review next. Until next time, keep creating music.